Shlok 1 of Chapter 2, Sanjay Uvach. Katha Madhusudana. In this way, the killer of lust that is as sweet as honey, Uvach idam vakyam tam, said these words to that Arjun, Kripya Vishtam, who was filled with compassion. Ashrupurna Kulekshanam Vishidantam, had worried eyes filled with tears, was depressed. Katha Madhusudana. Uvach idam vakyam tam, Kripya Vishtam, Ashrupurna Kulekshanam Vishidantam. Interpretation. Sanjay said, in this way Shiv Baba, the killer of lust that is as sweet as honey, said these words to that Arjun, who was filled with compassion, out of attachment to his relatives, had worried eyes filled with tears, and was depressed.